there.
Oh, well, he watched a procedure in the hospital. Yeah, because my daughter was pregnant.
Oh, you gotta stay outside.
What's that back there?
That's another turtle. You have to have this door closed, please.
Rob, what was...
Whoa. I, rather not speak of this one.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
While we're here. No, I don't want to get this on film.
There's nothing in there. There's nothing in that tank.
Yeah, there is.
I don't see it. Oh, I see him. Oh, Mommy's filming something.
Would you look at that? Sand shark. Right, lemon shark, I meant. Wow. Hi. He's huge. Did he tell you about this guy? Did he tell you about this guy? I see him. Hey there, big guy. What's up?
Shark attack.
Really? You saved his life? So you saved his life then, huh? Well, I'm glad you did. Here he comes. Whoa, what happened to his arm?
Shark attack. Shark bit it off.
It's gonna suck. Aren't they amphibians? Don't they grow back?
No, it was
Hello.
If they did it, that would be way better. That'd be a good life.
That's an old turtle, Kai. Can you tell? Old. It's an old one.
Yeah. All we can know is she's more than, he's more than 30 years old. He could be 70. So no.
What's in that tank there? Yeah, the fish tank.
She was caught by a fisherman with a fish hook. Had a hook in her left shoulder.
What happened to its shell?
It was covered with barnacles. So we put them in fresh water for 24 hours. And the barnacles die off.
Oh,
So
really?
it's nice and clean now. These little white little barnacles.
That's a good one.
Hey, this is new. This wasn't here last time.
They just installed it. They even added a shark. I think that was the one who bit that turtle's arm off.
Is that what they think?
I think that's a dogfish. Or a lemon shark. Or whatever it's called.
You want to work here?
Yeah.
I think it's volunteer only. You don't get paid. You just work out.
I bet it has a name. I didn't even do Naira. I see him.
Yeah, I know I spent the whole, yeah, we did. And I think for the most part, every time we was appropriate and excessive, being the
Where
whole,
are you?
Turtle is very expressive. This turtle has a really nice personality.
What is that, Buddy?
The turtle, it lost its arm. It had missing an arm from a shark.
Oh, God. Did they smell bad, Buddy? But they managed to... Yeah. But they learned to compensate for that.
Yeah. Look at that. He's only moving with one flipper. Why is that? Why are they moving with just one flipper?
Oh no, it just looks like that. Honest. They use their front flippers to move, and then their back ones are used like a rudder. It gives them direction.
How interesting.
And they've only just learned to swim. I mean, they haven't been out of the nest for 3 or 4, well, he hasn't, say a month or so. And they have to learn to swim as soon as they get out of that nest and off into the water. And this is a different kind. This is a loggerhead, and that's a green.
Why is it black?
That's the color they are when they're born. Green turtles are green because they're herbivores in the wild, and so their fat is tinged with green.
Alright. That explains a lot. And it looks like there's 2 more over here. Gonna come back around.